In the ongoing battle between Samsung's Galaxy A54 and the newer Galaxy A55, it's clear that while the A55 may excel in display performance, the camera department tells a different story. According to DxOMark, renowned for its independent reviews, both the Galaxy A54 and A55 boast nearly identical camera systems, offering users a consistent photography experience. The camera setups on both devices are strikingly similar, featuring a 50MP primary camera with PDAF and OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 5-megapixel macro camera, and a 32-megapixel selfie shooter, with identical apertures and pixel sizes across the board. This parity underscores the notion that, on paper, the camera hardware remains unchanged between the two models. While the Galaxy A55 may hold a slight advantage over its predecessor, the difference in camera performance is subtle, especially when compared to the significant disparities in display quality between the two devices. DxOMark's analysis positions the Galaxy A55 marginally ahead of the A54 in certain areas, particularly in low-light photography and videography. However, intriguingly, the Galaxy A54 outperforms its successor in categories such as zoom and bokeh effects, showcasing its prowess in handling depth of field. Despite the incremental improvements brought by newer software and image processing techniques in the Galaxy A55, Samsung has not substantially elevated the camera experience to justify upgrading from the A54 solely for this aspect. The differences are nuanced, and users may not perceive a significant leap in camera performance between the two models. For consumers seeking enhanced camera capabilities beyond what the Galaxy A54 offers, venturing into higher-priced devices like the Galaxy S23 FE proves to be a more viable option. DxOMark's assessments rank the Galaxy S23 FE notably higher, highlighting its superiority in the camera department compared to both the A54 and A55. While the Galaxy A55 brings advancements such as upgraded display protection, a sturdier build, and improved processing power with the Exynos 14A chip, the camera experience remains relatively consistent. Therefore, for users prioritizing camera performance, exploring alternatives beyond the A55 may be the more prudent choice. That's all for today. What do you think about this analysis? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. The Galaxy S24 series has garnered significant attention globally, breaking pre-order records in many countries. Samsung reported a double-digit increase in pre-orders compared to previous models. Recent data reveals that the sales of the Galaxy S24 series have exceeded those of the Galaxy S23 series since its release. According to a report from Counterpoint Research, global sales of the Galaxy S24 series are 8% higher than those of the Galaxy S23 series. In South Korea, sales of the Galaxy S24 are reportedly 22% higher than its predecessor. Western Europe, including France, Germany, and the UK, saw a 28% increase in sales, driven by robust pre-order demand. In the US, sales of the Galaxy S24 series surpassed those of the Galaxy S23 series by 14%. Notably, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the most expensive model in the series, accounted for 52% of the total sales. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus made up 27% and 21% of the sales, respectively. The Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra are the first Samsung phones to come pre-installed with AI-powered features. These features include real-time language translation during messages and calls, web page and notes summarization, and generative AI-powered image and video editing. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts advanced features and materials, including a titanium frame, glare-free Gorilla Glass armor protection, and a powerful camera setup. It features a 200-megapixel primary rear camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. The phone can record 8K 30 videos and has a built-in S Pen. Additionally, the Galaxy S24 series comes with One UI 6.1, featuring smoother animations on the home screen. An update to One UI Home version 15.10.1.3 offers improved animations, particularly when opening and closing applications. While users can manually install the update, it's recommended to wait for the official release to avoid potential security risks.